Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites so the plugin installs cleanly. Check the plugin version and host app compatibility, and back up any existing config files. Once done, enable developer or admin mode in the host so you can change settings without permission errors. Now install the Lockdown plugin using the host's plugin manager or drag-and-drop installer. Watch for immediate warnings. If the installer asks for port or path, enter the same values your host currently uses to avoid conflicts. You move into detailed configuration. Open the plugin dashboard and create rule groups with clear priorities so higher-numbered rules don't override critical blocks. Once created, specify allowed sources, IP ranges, and authentication methods, and tie rules to services or endpoints. Then use the plugin's dry run or staging mode to simulate traffic. This prevents accidental lockouts. Make adjustments based on logs and include descriptive names so you can audit why each rule. You finalize by switching enforcement on and monitoring logs closely for the next 24 to 48 hours. This validates that legitimate traffic flows as expected. Make sure to apply incremental changes rather than bulk edits so you can revert easily. If something breaks, disable enforcement or restore your backup to regain access, then re-enable rules one at a time. A single troubleshooting tip: confirm host ports, DNS resolution, and external firewall rules, because most lockouts stem from network-level mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.